woke up this morning, my floor's looking wet. I step on the kitchen tile, now I'm soaking your bed. The fridge is still humming, but it's up to no good. Leaking on the floor like you're misunderstood. Oh, that leaky fridge, why you gotta drip? Water on the floor, it's a real cold slip. I tried to fix you, but you won't comply. Now I'm mopping up tears, just asking why. I checked the door seals, thought maybe that was it, but there's water flowing like it's never gonna quit. Ice trays frozen, but it's still a mess. Got a puddle in the corner I can't suppress. Oh, that leaky fridge, why you gotta drip? Water on the floor, it's a real cold slip. I tried to fix you, but you won't comply. Now I'm mopping up tears, just asking why. I'm tired of the leaks, tired of the freeze, tired of the cold breeze blowing through the cheese. Maybe it's time for you to go, but you're still humming like you don't know. Oh, that leaky fridge, why you gotta drip? Water on the floor, it's a real cold slip. I tried to fix you, but you won't comply. Now I'm mopping up tears, just asking why. Maybe I'll leave you, but you'll never quit. Still leaking water every little bit. The fridge that's leaking, I can't make it right. Just another cold, wet, lonely